welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to find how to find the sum of a geometry series. Geometric, I wrote that wrong. Okay, so for example we have a sum, so S for sum, which equals A1 plus A2 all the way to AN. We can also rewrite the sum because we need to find the common ratio. So for example, the common ratios are, so common ratio equals R. Now that we have that, we need to turn this so that there's like a common ratio in there. So S also equals A1, which is the first term, plus A1R plus A1R squared all the way to A1R to the power of n minus 1. So now that we have this, we could times both sides by the common ratio. So if we times it by the common ratio, which is R, S, which equals, and now this will turn into that, this will turn into that. So we kind of shift forward a little bit. So it is A1R plus A1R squared all the way to A1R to the power of n, which is why I wrote n minus 1 to make our lives easier.
No, it's not make your life easier. It's you have to write n minus 1, right?
Yeah, okay.
Yesterday we learned the nth term equals
the nth term. Oh yeah, the nth term equals the first term times the common ratio to the power of n minus 1.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Now that we have this, we can minus these two. We need a minus RS minus S. So RS minus S equals, since these cancel out and these cancel out, and at the end this will be canceled out. So at the end we will have it is, what is it again?
No, the A1 times R to a power n, you cannot cancel that one out, right? You cancel the top one. A1
yeah.
times R
I forgot about that.
to n to minus 1.
Yeah, because in between is that thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so at the end it's gonna be A1 R to the power n minus A1. So now that we have this, we could simplify it, to get our, so we need to get what S equals, the sum. So for example, this is S times 1, and this is A1 times 1. So we can factor out the A1s and the S's here. So S bracket R minus 1, because it's 1 over there. And then it equals, we factor out the A1s from both sides, which is A1 bracket R n minus 1. Now that we have this information, we need to find what S equals. So since there's an S over here, we need to remove this thing. So we have to divide, since it's multiplication. So if we divide R minus 1 on both sides, then it leads us to S equals A1 bracket R n to the power of n minus 1 over R minus 1. So this is the sum to find a geometric sequence.
Geometric theory.
Series.
The sum of a geometric theory.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.